Hey guys, so we're getting straight to it. This wig is from 8 USA off of Amazon. This wig didn't come with anything else. It was just the wig and the hair net. No extra products or anything like that, but these curls were very pretty. The hair was very soft and still is very soft. There's two combs on the side and the adjustable strap in the back. First putting it on, of course, it needed to be cut a little bit. So I went and I cut the bangs and just made them shorter and to my liking. And I also went and cut the sides of the hair just to give it more of like a diva cut effect. And the other thing that I did to this wig was just pull the curls apart and make it more voluminous. But yeah, that's it, guys. This was very easy to do. I really do like this wig. I feel like it looks very pretty on video and I think it looked pretty in person, but sometimes in my pictures it looked like maybe it was just too much hair for me. I did really enjoy styling this hair though and getting some pictures with it, but the link to this wig will be in my description box below.